everyone. Welcome back to Speak Easy English.
Hi, friends. Today we have a big challenge. 50 common English words that people say wrong.
Oh, yes. Pronunciation time. So grab your notebook, relax, and repeat after us.
And don't worry, we'll make it fun, simple, and clear. Ready?
Let's go. Let's start with easy daily words. First one, comfortable. It looks long, but you say it short. Comfortable, not comfortable.
Right. Next, vegetable. 3 parts only. Veg-ta-ba. Forget the E sound in the middle.
Wednesday is a funny one. The D disappears. Wednesday.
Yeah. And breakfast is breakfast, not break fast. We don't break fast, we breakfast.
Library. Many people say library, but it's library.
I always hear people say February, but it's February. Practice that slowly. February.
Clothes, one sound only, cloths. Don't say clothes.
And receipt, silent P. Receipt.
Same with debt. The B is silent, debt.
And one of my favorites, dessert. Double S, because we all want more sugar. Cake. Dessert.
Okay, next, words we use all the time, like restaurant. Say restaurant or restaurant, not restaurant.
Good one. Schedule. Americans say schedule. British say schedule. Both fine.
Vehicle, vehicle, not vehicle.
Police. Stress the second part. Police.
And coupon, coupon, not coupon.
Ooh, food time again. Pizza. Everyone loves pizza, not pizza.
P-O, sandwich. Say sandwich. We drop the D.
Water. In the U.S., it's water. In the U.K., water. Both are okay. Choose your accent.
Tourist, tourist.
And one more. Onion. It's onion, not onion.
Now, let's sound smart. Career, career, not carrier.
Develop. Stress the middle. Develop.
Environment, say environment. Skip the extra wrong.
Comfortably. Same as comfortable. Comfortably.
Chocolate. We all love it. Chocolate, not chocolate.
Temperature. Say temperature, not temperature.
Photography. The stress changes. Photography, not photography.
Hierarchy. That's hierarchy.
And pronunciation. Careful. It's pronunciation, not pronunciation.
Climb. The B is silent. Climb.
Data, 2 ways. Data or data.
Email. Email, not e-mall.
Internet, clear and simple. Internet.
Laptop. Laptop. Don't make it laptop.
Project is interesting. Noun, project. Verb, project.
Resume. Resume, not resume.
Accessory, accessory.
Document. Document.
And opportunity, opportunity.
That's a mouthful, but easy with practice.
Let's finish strong. Entrepreneur, entrepreneur.
Chaos. Chaos, not chos.
Bouquet, Bouquet. Fancy French word.
Quote. Quote. Not coat.
Sweet. Sounds like sweet, not suit.
Island. Island. The S is silent.
Sword. Sword. No W.
Subtle. Subtle. Silent B.
Genre. Genre. Another French word. Soft and smooth.
And our final one, vehicle. Oh, wait, we did that. Let's end with comfort. Simple and warm. Comfort.
Whew. 50 words. That was a full tongue workout.
Totally. But now you'll sound much more natural.
Practice these words every day, and soon English will feel easier to speak.
Which word surprised you the most? Tell us below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your English learning friends.